Hello everyone, hope you're having a magical day today. Today we are at the Texas State Aquarium in Corpus Christi, Texas. Before we even get in, we have their play area here for kids to play in. So we're going into the Gulf of Mexico area. When I bought my ticket, they said that there was a lot of people from San Antonio here today. We may not get very many good shots because so many people, but we're going to check it out anyways. I love the ceiling. Here's a map of the Gulf of Mexico.
Yeah, I have not found what time he is yet. I've been trying to figure him out.
Do you see them moving?
Yes. Yeah, I don't know what he's called. Yeah. Did you know those are the state shells of Texas?
Did not.
I did not know that.
They're also one of the very few left-handed shells. So if you look like that shell right there in front of you, you see how it's opened up on your left-hand side?
Yeah.
Well, conches or other types of shells that aren't lightning bolts open up on the right side.
Oh, that's so cool.
Qué miedo. ¿No te imaginas encontrarte esa mamá y que tiene atrás ahí? Mira el otro video, es un tamaño. Llama la atención.
Those are big fish. I believe those are tuna fish. Saving sharks, where science and sharks meet. So it talks about all the different sharks here. Then big Q Magdodon. No, I'm good. Here's a shark here. We go into a shark's cage. Or a cage that, you know, you can pet the sharks. No, thank you, I'm good. Okay, I'll do it. You see the shark swimming around me right there. Oh no, I'm scared. Get me out, get me out. Let me in, let me in. The life cycle of a jellyfish. Well, that is so cool. I never knew the life cycle of jellyfish. Jellies. So as you walk in, here's the restrooms right here, and then they do serve Starbucks. You can go ahead and get your drinks here. So they do serve Starbucks, but they are not a Starbucks, so they won't take your cards. So that kind of stinks, but okay. We'll be okay with that. I did go ahead and get Starbucks just to let you know. So we're going into the Caribbean journey. So if you can't tell, there's a waterfall. So it's going to be a little loud. Waterfall! It's not the backside of water though. With the fishes down there. It kind of smells fishy out here. Wetland. Flamingos. I guess these are still flamingos too. Just baby from mangrove forest. That's actually really neat. I like how it's all inside, but you get the lighting. And here's the macaw on the front side. Hello! Hello! He don't talk. I hope you can see it, but there's a shark swimming there. I don't see nothing. Oh, there's another shark right there. Stingrays.
That's just use 2 fingers, but right on their back.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So I'm going to do something I've never done. I'm going to pet it. That was weird. It kind of felt slimy. Slimy yet satisfying. And they have restrooms up here. And the stairs to go to level 3. They do have an elevator over there as well. So on level 3 is the Caribbean Journey Jungle Overlook and Observation Deck. So let's go look at that. So they have an event area right there, which is closed. They also have restrooms up here and the elevator right there. And over here's the little outlook. If you look right through those trees right there is a blue ghost, the USS Lexington. Okay, hope the glass don't break. I'm right over a shark, so you can see out the windows here. The art museum is right there. Right there. And if you see where those marinas are, right there, where my finger's pointing out the straw, it's actually where Selena's memorial is. So that is downtown Corpus. As you come down those at the escalator from the second floor, where the stairs are right there that I came down, you enter in this area. I like the music. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's a Caribbean type music. 30 years of being here, Texas State Aquarium, and it goes through the timeline on the TV, and you also have a timeline here. So construction began in 1988, and the grand opening was in 1990. And after you go through that, to exit, you come through the gift shop. The kids area here. Nemo fishes. So in this area, this is underneath the dolphin area. As you can see, there's a dolphin swimming right there. And they have an area where you can sit down, relax. It's kind of murky under here, the water is. So there's actually a dolphin swimming right there. Oh, I can't see it though. So down here is the children's play area. You have a sandbox here, and then the children's play water park area. They do have some changing rooms here, and then lockers for $2 all day. Not bad. I mean, you can spend all day here. Go let your kids play out in the play area. It's not bad. That was my day at the Texas Sea Life Aquarium in Corpus Christi, Texas. With that, thank you for joining me and have a magical day.